guys? Stantec, Standing Land. Here we are. Like and subscribe to my channel. So you know about your fancy toolkit that you got from Rad Bikes. Bust it out. Let's tighten the brakes up. These are the first things to go on these things. So all you're gonna do is do one Allen wrench, pull this bad boy back, and then tighten it. Done. If you want to stick around, stick around. If you don't, make sure you like and subscribe to my quick... Oh, the first Allen wrench I got is right there. Loosened up. Easy. Okay. Now pull this guy through. Actually, better way to do it is something like this. And tighten it up. There we go. We're cinched up. Let's see what that did to our braking system. Oh, it's nice now. I actually have brakes now. So, there we go. And done. Like and subscribe to Standing Land.